On this first night of our Simbang Gabi, the church gently invites us to reflect on why we have come together this evening. At the heart of this devotion are not wishes or superstitions, but faith, trust, and, of course, relationship. For tonight, for this reflection, allow me to share 3 P's with you, my dear friends. The first P stands for prayer. We are here tonight to gather to pray and not to make a wish. Many people come to Simbang Gabi carrying intentions, and maybe you are one of them, carrying your hopes, your dreams, desires, and these are not wrong, Yet prayer is more than asking. It is encountering. We do not come before God as if He is a genie who grants wishes, but as a loving Father who desires a relationship with His children. A genuine relationship with Jesus is the most important relationship. No other relationship can substitute because it gives meaning to all other relationships in our lives. When prayer becomes relationship, our faith deepens, our hearts are healed, and our lives are slowly transformed. The second P that I would like to share with you is this. It is a 9 nights or 9 morning for some others. So we are asked to persevere. Perseverance, Simbang Gabi is a 9-night or morning journey. Like every journey of faith, it requires commitment. Many of us are burdened by work, family responsibilities, fatigues, worries, and the pressures of daily life. It is easy to begin strong and slowly drift away. Perseverance, however, is the quiet language of love. And when we choose to wake up early in the morning or to come here in the evening amidst of the cold temperature, to make time and to return night after night, we are telling God that He comes first. What we prioritize reveals what we truly value. By persevering in prayer, we learn to reorder our lives, placing God at the center and trusting Him with everything else. And the final P that I would like to share is this. Why we come back here? Why we need to return here? Because there is a promise. Advent is anchored in a powerful assurance from God. I will come. This promise speaks directly to our fears, to our disappointments, and moments of discouragement. God does not remain distant from human suffering. He enters into it. In Jesus, God becomes Emmanuel, God with us. As we continue our Simbang Gabi, we are reminded that we are never alone. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, no matter how heavy life feels, no matter how dark the night may be, no matter how cold our evenings, God is present. He is coming, brings hope, strength, and renewed courage. Simbang Gabi then is not just a tradition we observe, but a faith we live, rooted in prayer, sustained by our perseverance, and strengthened by the promise that God is always with us. See you again tomorrow. Amen.